Hi, Kansas City. I'm Tony Healy with Shawnee Mission Primary Care, back with another episode of What's Going Around. We're here to let you know what's going around the metro area this time of year and what you can do in order to stay healthy. You know, this time of year, we're still seeing a lot of upper respiratory infections. They're very common, very easily spread, but generally don't require any advanced medical treatment. However, in some cases, symptoms can be severe, including high spiking fevers, severe nasal drainage and congestion, cough, shortness of breath, or even trouble breathing. In rare cases, upper respiratory infections can progress into more severe infections like bronchitis or even pneumonia. So, if you're experiencing any of these severe symptoms, or you're experiencing symptoms lasting more than 2 weeks, please visit us at any one of our 7 Shawnee Mission Primary Care locations, or take advantage of one of our newest features by going to CentraCareKC.com and book a reservation at CentraCare Shawnee Mission Urgent Care today.